Hello everyone, and welcome to the AUTOABC channel. Today, let's take a look at this CarPlay upgrade module installed in a Mercedes-AMG S63. This module adds modern smartphone functions to the original Mercedes display without replacing the factory screen or changing the original interior. Once the phone is connected, CarPlay appears directly on the original screen. The connection is quick, and the interface is clear and easy to use. First, let's try the music function. You can play music from your phone, view the song information, pause the music, and switch tracks directly through the car system. You can also activate Siri and make a phone call using voice control. Just tell Siri who you want to call, so you don't need to pick up your phone while driving. You can also use Siri to start navigation. Simply tell Siri where you want to go, and the route will appear directly on the original Mercedes screen. CarPlay can also be controlled using the original buttons and control knob inside the car. This keeps the operation simple and allows you to continue using the controls you are already familiar with. The original Mercedes system and vehicle functions are fully retained. You can switch between the factory interface and CarPlay whenever you need. When the car is shifted into reverse, the original 360-degree camera view appears quickly, so the reversing and parking functions continue to work normally. This upgrade keeps the original look and functions of the Mercedes S63 while adding music, navigation, Siri voice control, hands-free calling, and smartphone connectivity. It's a simple upgrade, but it makes the original system feel much smarter, more modern, and more convenient for everyday driving. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the AUTOABC channel for more car upgrade videos.